Okay, Stu, yeah, here's the guys. Hello. I'm having problems with the garage door. It keeps binding sometimes on the last panel. Just wondering if you knew what I might be able to adjust. It binds right there. If I give it a little bit of assistance, it'll go up no problem. Let me show you again. Now if I help, oh, nope, didn't help in time. Okay, try this one more time. See, I helped it and it worked. Could it be this roller needs to be lubricated? Or this whole thing needs to be lubricated? Help, Stu! You can see it's kind of shiny in there, so maybe it needs to be lubricated. Talk to you later. Oh, you like the Roadrunner. Yeah, car of the year. Yeah.